Hello everybody, it's Jeff Humble here again, General Manager at Indian Motorcycle, home of the Lloyd'z Garage. Hey, first of all, you're probably wondering, what am I wearing? I am wearing the brand new Lloyd'z flannel that landed in St. Paul yesterday. And I'm going to tell you, if you want one, you better call the shop, call Ava, shop online, get these things. They're going off the shelf fast. They're gorgeous. But anyways, more importantly, hey, I wanted to reach out again. Hey, as we're coming into December 14th, the year end is coming up. I have approximately 15 brand new 22s that are ready to get a new home. So do me a favor, contact me and I will work on getting you your special program on any brand new motorcycle and or pre-owned motorcycle through now until the end of the year. No payments till 120 days. That's going to put you into April almost. So again, contact me, Jeff Humble, General Manager, Indian Motorcycle. If you're serious about buying, we're serious about getting you to buy. Have a good day. Thank you.